Hello and welcome to 1572 Hunters Green Way in beautiful Marion, Iowa. This home features just under 3,000 finished square feet, so it's perfect for an expanding family or to entertain. You'll simply enjoy this custom-built ranch home that features 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths that are all tiled. The kitchen has maple cabinets, dovetail drawers with soft close, a breakfast bar, and an eat-in kitchen as well. For the busy family, you'll absolutely love the drop zone as you come in from the garage. There is a main floor laundry. The master bedroom is quite spacious. You'll love the walk-in closet with upgraded shelving and drawers that are built in. The master bath has a walk-in tiled shower. Open, spacious rec room, 2 additional bedrooms downstairs and a full tiled bath. For those warm summer nights, enjoy the maintenance-free deck, the large patio area, the fully fenced-in yard. You're going to simply fall in love. Come fall in love with this custom-built ranch home in beautiful Marion, Iowa.